All right, what I have here is a KTM 690 Enduro R. Okay, it had a knocking noise. The crank is absolutely perfect. Okay, there's no problems with it. What it was the primary drive nut right here was not torqued properly from the factory. Okay, nobody's been in this engine, or it didn't get Loctite, or both. Okay, when this nut loosened up, the primary drive gear rocked back and forth as the bike ran. It destroyed, I don't know if you could see this, but it destroyed the keyway, basically ruining the crank. Also, when the nut backed off, it dug into where the seal rides. Okay, so this is what the seal is supposed to look like. That's what it looks like now. There's very little of the metal left that goes around the seal right here. Okay, it's pretty lame on KTM. Pretty lame that everybody on the internet is saying that this is normal. It's not normal. It's going to cost you a lot of money. If you have a knocking noise from your KTM 690, stop running the bike immediately. Pull the clutch cover, check that nut. If the nut's loose, pull the primary gear. Good luck. I hope you don't have the same problem my friend does.